Welcome to Nordic Market News. It's Friday, August the 18th. This program is being recorded in the news agency Direkt studio here in Stockholm. Let's take a quick look at the major news affecting the Nordic countries this week. Last week's worries about the threatening tone between the U.S. and North Korea eased, which was reflected in a strong start to the trading week. However, as the week went on, fears that U.S. President Donald Trump would be able to pull off his pro-business economic plan weighed on the market. And then last night's Barcelona terrorist attack pushed the volatility index VIX even higher, rising 19% since Monday. These events have been reflected in the Nordic indices, with only Finland up 0.2% this week. All other indices were down, with Sweden's OMX S30 down 1.8% for the week. Norwegian's OBX index is the leader for the year, up 21.5%, followed by Finland's OMX H25 up 15%. Finally, the Nordic index OMX N40 is down 0.8% for the week, but still up 9.4% for the year. The steady stream of earnings reports continued this week, with, among others, beer giant Carlsberg, cosmetics company Oriflame, food retailer ICA, and wind turbine company Vestas all reporting Q2 income statements. Carlsberg reported earnings adjusted for non-recurring items better than expected, but the share still dropped after the report. Vestas' profit for the second quarter was clearly lower than expectations, and the market traded down the stock considerably on the day of the report. ICA took a dive of almost 7% after the company's report for the second quarter Wednesday. ICA sales of 27.2 billion SEK was in line with the market's expectation, but the operating profit was down 5%. CEO Per Strömberg said that the high activity level caused a higher level of cost during the quarter. On the other end, the market gave thumbs up to Oriflame, whose sales and operating profit during the second quarter beat estimates. The company also guided for a growth rate in the third quarter that was higher than expected. Norwegian media and publishing company Schibsted fell on the Oslo Exchange after Facebook revealed plans to launch Marketplace in Europe, a hub that consumers can use to buy and sell goods. This service would then compete directly with Schibsted's own market called Blocket. Oil service company Transocean, based in Switzerland, has placed a bid for Oslo-listed Songa Offshore, worth a total of 9.1 billion Norwegian kroner. The offer has the support of Songa's board and major shareholders. In macro news, Swedish inflation came in higher than expected, which boosted the krona. It was the first time since December of 2010 the so-called KPI inflation indicator was above 2%, which is the Riksbank's inflation target. Those are the headlines for this week's program. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in next week for more Nordic Market News. Enjoy your weekend.